Today we're going to work on two-step equations. So the goal is to still keep it balanced. So we're going to keep the equation balanced.
Can you move it down?
Yep. And where do we keep it balanced? On either side of the what?
Both side equation.
Equal sign. All right, so two steps. Step one. We're going to undo any addition or subtraction. Step two, will be to undo any, what operations do we have left?
Multiplication and division.
Right. Multiplication or division. Example 1. 2x minus 6 equals 16. So our first step says to undo any addition or subtraction. So do we have addition and subtraction going on? What do we have going on? The minus 6. So we want to get rid of or move this to the other side. So the opposite of minus 6 would be to add 6. Yep. Negative 6 plus 6 gives us 0. So those cancel. So on the left side we have 2x. Bring down the equal sign. And on the right we have 16 plus 6, which is 22. Now this looks like a one-step equation that we did on Thursday. And what are we going to do to both sides? Divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, so those cancel. And x equals 22 divided by 2, which is
11.
Very good. Example 2, negative 4t plus 10 equals 38. So do I have addition or subtraction going on?
Addition.
Addition. So I need to undo the addition, and I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. 10 minus 10 gives us 0, so that cancels. And we have negative 4t equals 38 minus 10, which is 28. What operation is going on between the negative 4 and the t? And how do we undo multiplication? So we're going to divide both sides.
By 4?
By 4 or negative 4?
Negative 4.
Because we want to get rid of that whole, the entire number. So divide by negative 4. And t equals 28 divided by negative 4, which is?
Negative 6. 7, sorry.
Thank you. Example 3. 3y minus 16 equals 32. Add 16. What do we have on the left?
Oh.
On the left? Yes. Yes. And what are we going to do to both sides?
Divide by 3.
Divide both sides by 3. So y equals what? 16. All right, example 4. We have 18 equals 2z minus 12. What do we need to move? We need to move the 12. So what are we going to do? Add 12. So add 12 to both sides. Negative 12 plus 12 gives us what? 0. So those cancel. On the left we have 18 plus 12, which is 30, equals 2z. And what are we going to do to both sides? Yep. The 2's cancel.
So z would be 15.
Yep. Eight plus 2r equals 30. What are we going to do to both sides? Very good. Subtract 8 from both sides. 8 minus 8 gives us, so those cancel. We have 2r equals 22. Yep. And divide both sides by 2. So r equals 11. Negative 9 minus 3y equals 27. What are we going to do first?
Add 9.
Add 9. Negative 9 plus 9 gives us.
0.
So what's remaining on the left-hand side?
Minus 3y.
Minus 3y. Don't forget the negative sign. That needs to come down with it.
Dang it.
Bring down the equal sign. And we have 27 plus 9, which is 36. Now what are we going to do to both sides?
Divide by negative 3.
Divide by negative 3. Y equals?
Negative 4.
Very good.
This feels really weird now.
Sitting on this side of the room, so this side of the room.
Yeah,
The recording.
Yeah, we know that she's already.
It's actually like help us as a
Yeah?
Oh,
I forgot about it.
That's all I'm thinking.
All right, example 7. 11 equals 5 minus 2y. What do I need to move? Subtract 11? No.
Subtract 5.
Subtract 5.
How do you know? Add 5.
You want to get everything away from the variable. So, when you see whatever side has the variable on it, you want to get those things away from it. So, subtract 5 from both sides.
Once you add 5? No, you didn't want there. You didn't want
This is a positive 5.
10.
So 5 minus 5 gives us 0. So that cancels. We have 11 minus 5, which is 6. Bring down the equal sign. Negative 2y. Yep. Divide by negative 2.
Which would be negative 3.
Yes. Negative 3 equals y.
Oh, now they're getting
8.
I don't know.
Subtract 4. Yep. Subtract 4 from both sides. 4 minus 4 gives us what?
0.
0, and we're left with p over 3 equals 6 minus 4, which is
2.
Now, what operation is being done to the p? Division. What's the opposite of division?
Multiplication.
So we're going to multiply both sides by what? 3. So the 3's cancel. P equals 2 times 3, which is 6. Example 9.
Subtract 9. Close enough. Yeah, add 9.
Add 9. Yep, do the opposite. Add 9. So Q over 5 equals, yes. Yes. Multiply both sides by 5. Q equals,
Meg. Wait, why'd you put 8 equals?
it's a Q.
That's a Q?
That's a Q.
Ugh.
Oh, it looks like an 8.
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's okay. I forgive you. Subtract 4.
Subtract 4.
Maggie keeps feeding me. Sorry, was that you?
So what do we have remaining on the left-hand side?
No. 2/3 P.
2/3 P. And on the right-hand side?
Oh, that's right.
12. Yes. Now, I have 2/3 P equals 12. How do I get rid of that fraction?
Do the 3/2.
What's that called?
Reciprocal.
Very good. The reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. 3/2. Threes cancel, twos cancel. So P equals 12 times 3 divided by 2, which is?
18.
Sure?
Yeah, 18.
Okay. All right, example 11. What am I going to do to both sides?
Add 5.
Add 5. Very good.
Good job, Abby. Hey.
So my 5's cancel on the left, and I have negative 3/5 z equals 27. Now, what am I going to do to both sides? The reciprocal, which is 5 over negative 3. 5's cancel, 3's cancel. Z equals?
Negative 45. Negative 45.
Yes.
I get this. Easy. Alright. I'm ready for
Okay.
Yeah, we should listen to it now.
Yay! You have to go in the final.
Maggie, you were talking so quiet. I know, you're like,
Tyler,
I couldn't understand you.
it's at the top. See, at the top? That's not recorded there.
Look at Pearl go.